22.
25 yards, 6 inches.
Nice.
And what does that mean for center mass? If I told you to take a headshot at 25 yards, you guys would be leaving here today able to take a headshot at 25 yards.
Nice.
How's that feel?
Good.
Yeah, no,
I'm
it
good
gives
with
you a lot
that.
Hey,
pretty
it
good?
gives you a lot
I'm
of
good with
confidence.
that.
I mean, I've never really, I don't recall shooting that kind of distance in a long. I don't think the Marine pistol, of course. I don't know
What
how
helped
long
you
that
get
was.
here, though?
The practice drill.
Aiming small, missing small at close distances. Okay, just putting you through the paces, holding you accountable. You guys holding yourselves accountable, moving through there. But what you learned here, you applied here, and this was fairly easy for you, right?
Mm-hmm. It
Congratulations.
was a lot easier today than it would have been, a couple of weeks ago.
Right? If you guys look at your original
Did you use
targets.
the Glock on that?
What's that?
Were you using the Glock? Or
Yeah.
Using the
Oh,
Glock.
nice,
So
nice.
if you guys look at your original targets, this is where you showed up at today. This is already really good shooting. We got you into this shooting within an hour or two, right?
Mm-hmm.
Shooting 1-inch squares, and then we got you shooting fast, and then we got you shooting, slow and precise groups at distance. So everything we learned up here. I mean, how many of you guys thought you were going to shoot a 9mm target with your 9mm?
Yeah,
No,
that was
not me.
nerve-wracking. It was almost like I'm just gonna cover that square.
That was a little
Whatever's in
difficult.
there.
Now that front sight covers that.
I hope I hit it.
Covers that target, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Yep,
it
yep,
does.
it does.
All right, you guys did an outstanding job today, man.
Thanks.
Thank you.
What we're gonna do next is we're gonna head back to the
Appreciate it.
benches. We're gonna kind of do like a debriefing, talk
Okay.
about what we learned today. Okay, so let's head back up, back to those benches.